Hi guys, people in the street often mix me up with this person here. That's life, sometimes things just look so similar. It's the same with these two V-rib belts, both black, both from Continental, but only one for this application. Watch out for this designation. We only give the extra designation to belts with very special technical features. That may, for instance, be an aramid tension member or a particular fabric coating. Extra does not automatically mean that this belt is also stronger. It has been developed for special applications, for example, for vehicles with hybrid drives, start-stop or starter generators. In technical terms, these drives are really lethal to belts as a result of increased loads, frequent load direction changes, dynamic operation, etc. You can see here the forces and loads acting on such a belt with starter generators. It stands to reason that you need special belts for this, and these bad boys will give you that extra serving of security. If you were to use a standard belt here, it would lead to problems. The belt would be extremely loud, we would have increased wear and, in the worst-case scenario, the belt would tear. So guys, extra special requirements call for extra special belts. After all, when you finish work in the workshop for the day, you don't wash your hands with some designer-scented soap. You use an industrial hand cleaner paste. Our range includes the extra belts for about 90% of the European vehicle fleet. You can find additional information here in our online catalog or in our PIC. These provide further information, practical tips, free of charge fitting instructions as the extra icing on the cake, as it were. Till next time in your workshop.